Hey!
Yay! Hey, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, something a little bit different. We're in this beautiful spot. It is amazing to fly around. I got Wingman Jono behind the camera. Today, our mission though, I've got my drone stuck at the top of this tree in like the worst possible position. It was there overnight. It felt dreadful. It's like a Catalyst Machine Works smooth operator. It's like a $500 drone with a GoPro on top of it, so there is no way that I want to leave this here. So today, the video is all about how to get your drones down from the tree when this does happen. We're going to go through a bunch of different techniques, and this is probably perfect because, well, it's perfect for you guys to make a video. It's not perfect for me. I want that drone back. But we're going to go through all our options today on how to get it back, and hopefully it helps some of you guys out there too, because if you've ever lost a drone or put one in a tree, it is one of the worst feelings, but we want people to be safe as well. So we want to get their drones back and be safe, so we'll go through some of the techniques and strategies that we use to get our stuff back. So what do you think, Jono? The tree's pretty big, and how you feeling?
I reckon there's going to be a lot of experimentation and techniques, a lot of failure. I'm 10 out of 10 for your effort in putting it in the highest position on the tree possible. You couldn't possibly get it any higher.
Check this out.
Gold.
We're going to go have a look at it and show you why this one is such a nightmare. Because it's not even in, like, if it's on the outskirts of one of these branches, it's not so bad. But this one, it is, let me just see, it is pretty much
Smack bang in the highest
about up in the middle around there. I'll put it on the screen anyway a little. It's very hard to see on the back of this GoPro, but yeah, it's really hard because you can't throw something directly at that one either. It's just going to be a bit of a nightmare. But let's do it. Go through our strategies, I guess, and find out how we're going to get it down. Right, so there's some pretty standard stuff. Like, I always bring a water bottle with me. If it's pretty close, you can throw your water bottle at it. There's no way I can throw that this high today, and it's also in a really tricky spot. Usually too, we've got like some paracord or some thin rope, and what you can do, you kind of stick a weight to the end, try and fling it up over there. This one I feel like is even higher. So what we've got today is this bad boy right here. It's just like a stick. It's actually a broom pole, so I stole it from home. And we're gonna thread this through here, put a little weight on the end. I've actually got a golf ball we drilled the middle out of. Jono, I think, has the golf ball.
Golf ball.
We're gonna do this, put the golf ball on there, and then we're gonna try and hook it up and over the top. Now, when you wanna do this, you need it to come down the other side as well. So try to make it double the height. So if it's 10 meters high, you need 20 meters of rope essentially. And then when it's over there, you can jank it back and forth and see if it comes out. So well, that sounds so inappropriate on so many levels, but what we're going to do, let's measure this out. So I'd say this is, I think this was 15 meters. How high do you reckon that is? So anyway, we're going to untangle this and then we'll cut back when it's all ready.
Stuart's mad contraptions right here.
Right, so we've got my golf ball on the end. We just drilled a hole through it. We've got our paracord on there. We're going to try and like fishing pole it or cast it over the top, see what happens. I'm not feeling great on the first one, but we'll see. We've got some other strategies too, but we want this, we'll start off simple and then get more and more elaborate as we go on. So
Are you a good fisherman?
Not really.
Have you ever caught a fish?
I got to think about it. Yeah, I think I have.
Oh, there we go. We're in luck. Just do that again.
All right. This could go terribly wrong. How are you feeling? On this cast?
No, we're not going to get it first attempt. You never get it first attempt. No way. Huge throw. How many meters? I reckon we got about 3 meters out of that.
Okay, we're just learning.
Nah.
That's not going to work, is it?
Nah. The fishing pole casting technique.
Stop. Zero. What's this technique when you're spinning something around and let it go? What do you call that?
Oh,
I don't know. I'm sure there's a technical name, lassoing it. What we're going to do, we're going to try and do that. We're going to throw it up there. We're going to have a few different attempts, and once we get it over the top, we're going to try and jerry it down. And it's usually, if you can have somebody helping you as well to hold the rope and feed it up off the ground, it stops the rope getting caught. Johnny's going to try and film. We'll see how we go first, and then if we can't get it, like it's all getting stuck on that tree, I can see straight away now. Like this is just going to, there's no way that rope is going to come nicely off that. Then once that's done, I might get Jono's help and we'll cut back if we've got it up over the top. So let's see how we go first time though. I've got to stand here, I reckon.
I went a fair way up.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Ah, come on! No! Oh, you reckon you can just straight up throw it?
Yeah, yeah. Nah. We'll give it a go anyway. Oh, nah.
Nowhere near, mate. What do you reckon now? Oh, that's not bad.
Ah.
It's deceivingly high, isn't it? It's like another 4 meters past that.
Oh no, I need like another 5 meters out of that. Oh no.
Jono's dead. Jono's fallen over. All right, you want it with a bigger weight? Here, let me try the swinging technique first, and then we can put something on there. And don't get the golf ball stuck.
No, I got golf ball stuck.
No, you can't have.
I did.
Pull.
Stuck.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Jono. It's like perfectly stuck.
Yeah, I know. That's a good shot.
Jesus.
That's how you throw.
That's not moving.
We just have to give it a harder yank. Oh, nearly. More.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming.
Oh, here we go.
2 minutes and you get the tree up a tree. What's it like?
The professional has arrived.
The golf ball stuck.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. How close are you? The ball's stuck.
No, yeah,
It's going. It's going.
come on. You can come and do this.
Yeah.
Jono?
That's it. It's coming.
Righto, so take 3, throwing stuff at it, trying to lasso things over the top. We're resorting now to attaching a rope to the bottom of our drone. We're going to fly the drone over the top and then see if we can get the cord over that way. But I understand this option's not available for everybody. If you've only got one drone, then I don't know how you do this strategy.
All right. So what happened the last time we tried to get a drone with a drone?
I don't know, we might be getting 2 drones out of the tree. But we've also really securely tied it on here. And I think we should have really low camera tilt.
It's ropemanship skills.
So I'm just going to go straight up.
Get out of the
Yeah, I'm getting out of the rope. I can see the rope there. I'm doing it.
And just go up slowly the first 12 inches or so.
I couldn't hold it.
That's only 6 inches, isn't it?
Alright, here we go.
Yeah. You need to be a bit to the left.
Yeah, I reckon.
Yep. Are you giving it a good yank, Stu?
I'm yanking it. And I want it to come down.
Yep. Set. Go.
Shred that rope.
Just don't want to crash into Jono. Don't want to move out of the frame.
Yeah, I'm out of the way. All right. There we go.
What are we getting stuck on?
Pull, Tony, pull.
Yeah, snag.
There we go.
Are we clear?
Yeah, you can.
You got don't let go?
Don't let go again. I got it tied around my finger.
That looked like a much better line.
Yeah.
Because this is about as good as it's going to get.
Yeah.
What were you going to say, Tony?
I reckon you could go through that gap there.
Yeah, I thought about that. But
Ready?
Yeah.
Say when.
just don't break
Go.
that. We can go lightly to start with.
Hey!
Yeah!
Done. You got stick off? Yep, sticks off.
Oh. There she is.
We can fly.
Hey!
Thank you very much, Jono.
Yeah.
Don't leave
good
me
stuff.
hanging.
High five.
Rightio, so we're pretty ecstatic because we got the smooth operator right here.
Plug it!
Yeah, unplug it.
Plug it!
So this bad boy with the GoPro on, of course, man, I don't know how, it was stuck in there good, wasn't it? We were really shaking that thing around. But here it is, out of the tree. So in the end, look, you can try those other techniques, but the idea is you want to throw some sort of rope or something you can yank on to move the tree branch around. Now, if it's really high, you're going to need to use another drone to get up there, but you can try like the golf ball on the end. Whole bunch of different strategies, but this one was stupid tall. So that was a pretty big retrieval. That one was hard.
That was good. That was a good retrieval.
So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. We're about to rip some packs now because I'm super ecstatic and just have some fun. Subscribe for more FPV related content. Leave some stories. What's the worst place you've got your drone stuck? And as always, happy drone retrieving.